Sentiment analysis is one of the most useful AI technologies for understanding customer opinions, emotions, and feedback at scale. Businesses now use cloud AI to analyze reviews, social media posts, surveys, and customer conversations automatically. So, in this guide, I'll show you how to use cloud AI for sentiment analysis in 2026. First, let's quickly understand what sentiment analysis actually does. Basically, AI examines text and identifies the emotional tone behind it, such as positive, negative, or neutral sentiment. Next, select a cloud platform that offers natural language processing and sentiment analysis tools. Popular choices include Google Cloud AI, Microsoft Azure AI, and Amazon Web Services. Now gather the text data you want to analyze. This can include customer reviews, support tickets, social media comments, emails, surveys, or chatbot conversations. Before running analysis, clean the data by removing spam, duplicate content, unnecessary symbols, and formatting problems. Once the data is ready, upload it into your cloud AI platform through dashboards, APIs, or cloud storage integrations. And that's your full guide on how to use cloud AI for sentiment analysis in 2026. Hopefully now you have a clearer understanding of how businesses use AI to understand customer emotions and feedback automatically.